Hello. Welcome back to day 15 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I am Chris O'Neill. So glad you're here. I'm so excited to see what this is because I have no idea, could guess. I will talk about the quilt builder card deck. I remembered to bring it over. I will talk about this because it's really cool and I have a lot to say about that too, like I always do. I just have a lot to say in general. Just ask my husband. Okay, so this is day 15. Let's open it up and see. Here we go. Oh, that's right on the edge. So I'm not even gonna be able to peel it off. I've given up. Just gonna rip it. Sheesh. Do you remember last year they weren't sealed well? Well, they are sealed well this year. It's in another box. Okay, so it's in another box. Still hear it jingling. Let's see. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. These are beautiful. They're ornaments. Oh my goodness. They are really, really pretty. And I hope none of them are broken for you. These are not broken. Beautiful ornaments. All right, they're going right on my tree. Look at those. Oh my goodness, so well packed. So pretty. And they do have the branding on the back. And they are in their branding colors. These are beautiful. Really pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love this gift. That's always nice to have ornaments that are quilty, especially for my sewing room tree, which is always fun too. All right, let's see. Let's go with the quilt builder card deck. So I did a little investigating with it because I wanted to see how many duplicates there were between these. Now, between this one and this one, which is the ones I showed you yesterday that I have, these are exactly the same, other than this gives instructions on how to make the blocks and this doesn't. The block builder cards do not give instructions per se on each block, but it does give all the measurements and everything else. And it also gives you a bunch of tips and stuff. But this box, almost said block, this box has only 14 duplicates on this with this one. So I guess, what is that? 40 minus 14 is what? 26. 26 different blocks than I have in this. Also, there are 6 Christmas themed blocks in this, and there's also one that's a Missouri Star Quilt block. Okay, so the Missouri Star. So there are some things in it that are very unique. I'm wondering if it's a compilation of a lot of the other sets. I'm not sure. I'd have to do some more investigating, and I only have this set right now. But I did put a link to the different sets that you can get, and I'll put them in this video too in the description. They are really, really great. They give you a lot of information. One thing I love about these versus this, however, is you can put blocks together. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the Missouri Star. And this is Carry Nation, it's called. But if you set them together like that, you can get an idea of what they'll look like and what the secondary design will be, which is wonderful too. In the instructions, it also talks about taking one of these, tracing it on cardstock, and adding your own designs, which I think is a great idea too. So these are just wonderful. So I'm valuing these at $16. That's how much the sets are online on average. You can get them cheaper, you can get them more. For more, that it just depends. It depends, I think, on supply and demand. Because this is a specialty set from Missouri Star, I thought about making it a little more, but also because the prices range so much, I just kept it at 16 to keep it simple. I may be over, I may be under, I'm not quite sure, but I feel like it's all gonna work out. It always does, right? So that brings the evaluation with this to $246.50, giving us a overage of what we paid here in the United States of $55.75, which is fantastic. Yay! And I love this item too. And the ornaments are beautiful as well. All right, let's guess for a day 16. So warning, warning, warning. I'm gonna lift it up, All right, here we go. All right, it's bendy, squishy. There's something in there. There's a stick or a something. There's also, it feels like paper in there maybe. I'm wondering if it's a pattern, maybe a project, maybe some fusible something. I don't know. Doesn't make any sound. It's quite light. I don't know why I said quite. I'm not British or anything. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe a pattern or a project. It's probably about time we got another project. I don't know. We'll find out. Can't wait. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you tomorrow with the day 16's item.